presenting the Jeep 2015 Grand Cherokee Altitude. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 5.0, air conditioning, automatic temperature control, front dual zone AC, rear window defroster and power steering. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.